how to buy Fronk token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. And don't forget to check their Telegram channel. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 2 hours ago and increased by 13,000% in the last 24 hours. And also this token trending number 3 in the B section on the screener. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do is just click here to copy the token address and open your Bitget wallet. For that, now go to your right, and from the top right corner, click here and make sure to select the base in the token. Now, after that, click on this plus icon and paste the token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now, before going on add this token to your wallet, make sure to read that address. Now, if you are ready to go, just click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now, go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token. If you don't find it, just click on this search icon and you can type it in the search bar, Fronk, like that, and you will be able to find it. As you can see, this is it. Now, click on it. Now, click it also, switch from here, and from the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and now you can type here how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token. As you can see, after that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Fronk token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.